The holiday season becomes real when you begin to unbox things. All right, so let's get into this unboxing. Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. We had an egg cooker, it broke, so one of my boys sent me this one from TikTok shop. He looked at the reviews, said it was really good and how many K was sold. I was sold on it because we are heavy egg eaters and you don't have to fry them. Pretty simple to use. This little measuring cup tells you what to do: soft boil, how much to put in for hard boiled, how much to put in for medium eggs. All right, so we have the two little trays for poaching and we have omelet, and then we're gonna have the tray that we put the eggs on. So this is our setup. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to try this egg maker for you guys so that you can, you know, make up your mind. Go to the TikTok shop and you would like to buy it. So it comes with a little manual. If you follow the manual, it tells you. I'm mostly wanting this, not necessarily for hard-boiled eggs, but for soft-boiled eggs, because I just have a thing there right now. Soft-boiled eggs. Okay? If we're going to make a salad or something, then we'll need hard boils. Now, in order to prevent your egg from cracking, simply use the needle that comes on the measuring cup. I'm scared.
Push.
I'm scared.
Push. You gotta push harder.
It's in there. Oh my gosh. Look. I was so scared to poke that egg. All right, let's try it. So at first the cord may seem a little short, but if you undo the rest of it from underneath, you'll have more length. So that's what we're doing here. And then we are going to fill it all the way up to where 6 eggs are, because more water to steam 1 egg than you would with 6. All right, so we're gonna set the little tray on here, and then we're gonna set the egg on top of it. We're going to cover, and we're going to hit that start button. And we're just going to leave it there until it starts beeping. All right, so this is what it looks like after it's been steaming for about a minute. And I'm doing only 1 egg because I'm not necessarily hungry. It's time! It's time! Yes. It's time. Look away. If you can't stand it, just look away. Cheers. All right, that was that for the soft boiled eggs. Let's try omelet. My boy's going to make an omelet. We're gonna try that. So we have what in here? 2 eggs. He's going to put some onions and ham inside. You're gonna pour that in. Make sure that you put your omelet tray on top of the egg tray and not directly on the plate, in the middle. And then we're going to cover that. I think you put 120 ml water inside here. We're gonna start that, cover it, and we're gonna come back and check on it. It's time! It has risen. It rose.
It's like a cake.
That was definitely good. I did carry one in the morning for lunch. I also tried poached egg the next morning. I feel like I had too much water in here, so it wasn't as soft as I would want it because I don't like hard-boiled eggs at all. Even if it's poached, I still need the middle to be runny. The yolk needs to be chasing after me. But so far, we are in love with this. You don't have to monitor. You put it in here and then you just walk away. It beeps when you're done and your eggs are ready. So here, these should be poached, but they're hard boiled. So we added some salt and pepper. As you can see, it's too hard. That was my fault. My fault. So too much water in there. So I'll just go less on the water. But I am loving it so far, enjoying it. I've used it 3 times already since it arrived. So it's definitely a keeper. And I'll complain if it's not.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.